I make a number of videos showcasing the use of programming for a bunch of different things. Making games, mobile apps, lie detectors, social media clones, etc. Although the languages I use change and the purpose for building each project is different, I try to have the same mentality about it. If I have a goal, a task, a problem, I then believe that the use of software could help. My goal could be to allow 100 people to chat and video call each other at the same time. So to do this, I have to build an online platform that supports video conferencing and has the bandwidth and the server capacity to support hundreds of users at the same time. Software engineering is the application and development of software to solve problems. It doesn't really have much to do with knowing Python or Java or anything like that. It's more about a mentality than it is knowledge of anything specific, which I guess is why it's so hard to answer this question of, is software engineering hard? Because it's not what you know, it's more of identifying a specific problem and being able to consider multiple approaches to tackle this problem. Code really doesn't matter. Anyone can learn how to write a specific language. It's more about what you're writing and the purpose behind it that carries so much more weight. This is part of the reason why I don't stick to one specific language on my channel. I mean, sure, I stick to more beginner-friendly languages like Python because they're a lot easier to understand in the context of a video. But in the real world, many software engineers use different languages all the time. It depends on which one can better accomplish a specific task. But back to the question of this video, is software engineering hard? And is it easier if you attend a 4-year college and major in computer science? Well, no. What I gained in my computer science degree was knowledge, information about programming languages and data structures, compilers, systems, computer architecture, all just information. But a mentality, a way of actually approaching a problem, that takes a bit more than a degree. So how hard is it to get this mentality? I think it depends on each person. Some people are definitely more apt to see a problem before it's identified. And some people, you might just need to train that part of your brain. Rather than answers to your questions, it starts off with the questions themselves. What do you want to build? What's possible? What's already been built? And how can I use those solutions to build mine? And it doesn't matter what you're building, whether it's something for fun or something at work. As long as you have that mentality of trying to identify all the constraints and the possibilities of what you can build, then that is the mindset of software engineering. You can go to Google, Stack Overflow, Wikipedia for a bunch of answers to any questions you have. But what do you do about the questions that aren't formed yet? What do you do about the problem spaces that aren't exactly defined for you? And that is the eternal dilemma of being a software engineer. Identifying problems, figuring out solutions, and then having more problems.